How to accept an offer on Vinted. Hi everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can accept an offer on Vinted. So accepting an offer on Vinted is simple. Just watch this video to the end so that you can learn how to do so. The first step is to log in into your Vinted account, and then once you have logged in, you will be brought to your own page. Okay. Now on this home page, you can see there are several items that can be gotten depending on your choice. And then once you can see this, the next step is to move to the right side of the screen where you can see some icons such as the inbox icon, notification, favorite, and then your profile icon. And then once you can see your profile icon, ensure you click on it. Once you click on it, in the box displayed, you can see profile, right? Once you see this, select it. After selecting it, we're taken to the profiles page. On this page, you can see your username, the number of reviews you have, your verification, etc. And the next step is to select the item that you would like to accept an offer for. All right. So once you find the item that you want to, or for which you received an offer, just select it. And then after clicking on the item, for example, if this is the item that you got an offer for, after clicking on the item, you'll be directed to the page where the offer was made. All right. Once you're on this page, you can now go ahead and accept the offer if you want to. Now, you can accept the offer if you want to. And then, once you've accepted the offer, the buyer will receive a notification that their offer has been accepted. All right. And then you must bear in mind that accepting an offer is not binding. Okay. Other users can still purchase the item with the original offer that you have already, because making an offer is something that is personal. All right. So, this is it. I'll ensure you have a happy selling on your Vinted account. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.